welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at the Stihl MS 170, a very great chainsaw for small firewood cutting, camp use, farming. And we'll look at some of the features it has. Master control on the left, all the way up is off, run, high idle, and high idle choke. Do remember you need to squeeze both levers before you can get that choke all the way down. Side load on the gas reservoir as well as the oil reservoir. Working chain brake. Foot pad starting this high compression motor on the ground. Put in place, good grip on the handlebars, and you can start it. That's a new 16-inch barn chain, .043, very popular chain for this particular saw. Muffler's in great shape. I've had the muffler off, looked inside, the motor's in very good shape. Low vibe isolation motor mounts, smooth operation. Just a very nice saw if you're doing some small firewood cutting.